Hi everyone, welcome to Flower Factor. Today we're going to work with beautiful hellebores, Verboom Beauties. You can see them here. The nice thing of this hellebores is they're grown for use inside, so we can place them in our house. So we're going to start off working on the base, and it's a very technical base. I have this nice fabric and I'm just going to place it on here, and then we have this big metal tube. It's going to be on the metal plate. I made this, and it's a big container with plywood, bent plywood, and I just made sides on it, and I made a little metal pin on it, and this is going to be placed on top like this. I'm going to drill a hole. And then we push the sticks in, different sizes. So we have the sticks in, nice rhythm of sticks. So what we're going to do now is basically fix the fabric and stretch it up and fix it to the container. That's the most difficult part, and after that it's just putting on material. So our base is covered with the fabric. Now it's just a matter of gluing the material on. We have this bleached banana leaves, and it's just working, gluing, because it's a lot of surface to cover. And then this beautiful Verboom Beauty, the hellebores that you can keep inside. So the floral design is ready with the beautiful hellebores that you can keep inside and of course outside. I hope you enjoy the technique, and of course I hope to see you next time here at Flower Factor. Bye bye.